Heading out?
Yep.
Lincoln 31, you can close here.
Police 2 is closed for a search warrant.
No phone, please.
Received.
Anyone with the mask on top?
Made visual contact with one suspect, bottom bedroom, ordered him upstairs.
Female in the bathroom downstairs.
Air, back up! It looks like we're playing back up now. Walk back.
Back up!
Keep walking.
Hands up! Hands up! Come on out! Out of the house!
Come outside now!
Put your hands up! Turn around!
Turn around.
Turn around!
Walk backwards.
Back up! Back up!
Walk backwards to our voice.
Hey, I don't know. We have a guy on the floor at the back sliding glass door. Oh, he's complying.
One male prone just inside the rear slider.
One male prone inside the wrist slider.
Lincoln 7-1, can you have two other patrol units respond to this address?
Lincoln 7-1 received.
We have 8 subjects inside the residence.
8 subjects inside the residence.
Lincoln 3, I'll be en route.
1 Lincoln 41, I'm responding. Do they need a code response?
7-1, do you need him code?
Quick response will be fine. Lincoln 7-1, we have one of the targets in back.
One of the targets in back.
Where the bag at? We have only 4 people. We had both all in custody.
Which subject's detained in the back?
According to Mr. Simpson out here, he is armed. He does have guns. Is he in the house? That would be affirmative. That's what he said. And how about we go on the PA again, send out some more? All right. Supposedly he's in the northeast bedroom, far northeast room.
Front door.
We're detaining Paul.
1 Lincoln 41's arrived. Where do you need help?
South side of the residence, just to help secure some people that were inside.
Northeast bedroom light just came on. Northeast bedroom light upstairs just came on. Light just went off.
And it's PA one more time. Let's verify with everyone who's out that everybody's out. All right, stand by. All right, give me a sec. One more PA.
2-4 on TAC advising 2 more downstairs in the bedroom on the left.
Lincoln 3 on scene.
Lincoln 3.
Okay, supposedly there's 2 girls downstairs. Maybe they're passed out, I don't know. We're not getting any response back here. Lincoln 37 to building up, man.
Lincoln 94, go ahead.
Are you okay with clearing upstairs?
Did you get the second target in custody from the northeast bedroom?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Making entry.
AM 37 to ground. You okay with going downstairs?
Affirm. You copied the information about possibly 2 females sleeping downstairs in one of the bedrooms?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Door 6, we're moving downstairs.
Moving downstairs.
Residence is clear initially, conducting a secondary search.
Residence clear initially, conducting a secondary search.
Lincoln 37 to the exterior units, if they can ID everybody, that'd be great.
Lincoln 71, officer Olson, we copy that. Is the residence clear?
Yeah, we're doing a secondary right now.
Alright, let me know so I can come in and talk to you for a sec.
Yes, sir. 1 Lincoln 41, SNOCOM level 2.
Lincoln 41 received.
Always coming downstairs. Secondary is complete, house is secure.
Secondary complete, house secure.
Lincoln 94 to both. Go ahead and clear 8. Sorry, I couldn't copy that.
Door 6, Lincoln 94, he said you can release in.
Copy, thanks.
Receive, releasing 8.
3137. Lincoln 94 to SNOCOM, you say copied. 8 is clear.
Affirm.
And Lincoln 94, I'm going to the search warrant.
1 Lincoln 41, do we have 8 standing by?
They've been released.
Hey, we'll turn them around and bring them down here for a female. She's had a history of a brain aneurysm, but now she's complaining about chest pain, and I think she's got diabetic issues as well.
Received.
1 Lincoln 2 en route to the jail with an adult male.
Lincoln 2 en route to the jail, adult male. Lincoln 41, can you switch to text?
1 Lincoln 41, say again.
Can you switch to TAC 2?
4 Lincoln 40 is en route to the station.
Police 2 is closed.
Lincoln 38.
Lincoln 38, go ahead.
Never mind.
Receive. Lincoln 2, the PD Everett's warrant is confirmed.
Copy, that's for Mr. I don't have him en route to the jail. I think Lincoln 73 still has him out there.
Received and disadvising PD Kirkland will not confirm with local charges.
Copy. I'm not sure there are local charges. You might have to confirm that with Lincoln 73.
Receive, Lincoln 73, did you copy?
Lincoln 96 to Lincoln 94.
1 Lincoln 41's out at the jail.
Lincoln 41.
1 Lincoln 24 at the jail, mileage 55286.
Lincoln 24 is at the jail, 0944.
1 Lincoln 41.
1 Lincoln 41.
We haven't already done so. Check with Lincoln 31, see if we can open the air.
Receive, Lincoln 31.